Every day, more than 20 million bags of Doritos are produced worldwide. It is one of the most consumed and most addictive snacks on the planet. And it is no coincidence. Its perfect crunch, its extreme cheese flavor, and that delicious powder that stays on your fingers have been designed to provoke only one thing: that you cannot stop eating them. But have you ever wondered how they are actually manufactured? What happens inside their factories to transform simple corn kernels into millions of crunchy triangles capable of hooking half the planet? Well then, today we will travel directly to Georgia, United States, home to one of the most gigantic Doritos production plants in the world. A place where, every day, tons of ingredients are mixed, processed, and transformed into authentic avalanches of Doritos, ready to be packaged, distributed, and devoured throughout the planet. So, get ready, because today you are going to discover how Doritos are mass-produced. We begin. Step 1. The star. Ingredient. It all starts in gigantic agricultural fields spread across the United States, where infinite kilometers of yellow corn extend, the essential raw material of Doritos. And we are not talking about just any corn. Doritos works with exclusive varieties, selected and developed over years to achieve the perfect balance between hardness, starch, and moisture. Only in this way is a stable dough, a perfect crunch, and an identical flavor in every bag achieved. When the corn reaches its exact point of maturation, extreme mechanized harvesting springs into action. Huge industrial harvesters travel through the fields without stopping, devouring entire hectares in a matter of hours. Authentic agricultural monsters capable of processing more corn in a single day than a traditional farm in entire months. Here, time is critical. As soon as it is harvested, the grain is loaded directly into high-tonnage trucks that depart for the factory without wasting a single minute. The faster the corn arrives, the better the final quality of the Dorito will be. It is exactly at that instant when the corn stops being a simple agricultural grain and begins its journey to become one of the most addictive snacks on the planet. Step 2. Arrival at the factory and transformation into dough. As soon as it arrives at the plant, the corn enters an extreme industrial process. Thousands of tons of grain are unloaded restlessly into huge metal hoppers, authentic deposits the size of buildings, where the first major phase begins: total cleaning. Powerful jets of pressurized air, mechanical vibration, and industrial filters eliminate dust, leaves, small stones, and any impurity that has arrived from the field. The objective is clear: to leave the grain absolutely perfect before moving on to the next process. And here begins one of the most impressive moments of the entire factory: industrial nixtamalization. The corn enters directly into giant cooking tanks, where it is mixed with hot water and a controlled solution of food-grade lime. These tanks do not boil. They literally roar. Steam, pressure, extreme heat, and constant agitation transform each hard grain into a perfect base for milling. In a matter of minutes, the corn softens completely, enhances its flavor, and acquires the exact texture to become the dough that will give life to each Doritos chip. Everything happens under absolute control. Sensors and operators monitor each exact parameter in real time, because 1 second too many would ruin the texture, and 1 second too few would make it unstable. When the cooking ends, the corn passes through industrial washing systems, where excess lime is removed and the perfect moisture is adjusted. And here the big change occurs. We are no longer talking about grain. We are talking about a yellowish, hot, and perfectly balanced dough, ready for its next big transformation. Step 3. Molding and creation of the triangles. With the dough already prepared, one of the most hypnotic moments of the entire factory begins, giving shape to millions of Doritos. The hot dough first enters giant industrial mills, where it is crushed and mixed until it becomes an ultra-homogeneous paste, without lumps, without bubbles, and with an absolutely perfect texture. From there, it flows directly toward colossal laminating rollers, which stretch it until forming a long, ultra-thin, and perfectly uniform sheet, advancing without stopping over endless conveyor belts. And then, the most spectacular moment arrives: the cut. A stainless steel rotary cutter, equipped with thousands of triangular molds, begins to spin at full speed. Each turn is an authentic avalanche of perfect cuts. The molds descend, pierce the dough, and release thousands of identical triangles per minute, all with the same size, the same thickness, and the same shape. Nothing is left to chance. Each Dorito is calculated to the millimeter to achieve 3 key things: the perfect crunch, the ideal resistance when dipping it in sauce, and the exact bite that makes it irresistibly addictive. These production lines work at such a speed that they can manufacture more than 6,000 Doritos per minute, lined up one after another, as if they were coming out of a giant snack printer. An authentic, continuous rain of yellow triangles floods the factory and begins its journey toward the next phase. Because now, the moment arrives in which these simple pieces of triangular dough are transformed into crunchy, golden, and absolutely irresistible chips. Step 4. Baking and frying. The time comes to convert tons of perfect triangles into authentic Doritos. Thousands of raw triangles advance without stopping toward huge industrial tunnel ovens, authentic thermal monsters capable of exceeding 300 degrees Celsius. Inside, the heat is extreme. For just a few seconds, the chips go through an initial cooking process that eliminates almost all moisture, hardens their structure, and prepares them to withstand the next step without breaking or deforming. Although it seems simple, this phase is critical. 1 second too few and the chip stays soft. 1 second too many and it burns. For this reason, sensors, thermal cameras, and automatic systems control temperature, time, and airflow to the millimeter in real time. But this is only the beginning. Upon leaving the oven, the still pale triangles enter directly into the most brutal area of the entire factory, the frying. Giant conveyor belts submerge them for just a few seconds in huge pools of boiling oil where the real magic happens. The chip puffs up slightly, its surface turns golden, and that ultra-crunchy texture appears that makes them unmistakable. Everything happens at such a speed that each Dorito passes from the raw state to the final state in less than 30 seconds. After frying, the chips ascend long, vibrating ramps that drain the excess oil, leaving each triangle with the exact point of fat to enhance the flavor without saturating it. And now, yes, we have authentic Doritos, golden, crunchy, and ready to receive their secret weapon. Step 5. The seasoning. We reach the instant in which the Doritos stop being simple, crunchy chips and transform into authentic flavor bombs designed to hook you. Thousands of golden triangles advance without stopping toward huge industrial rotating drums, colossal stainless steel cylinders that spin restlessly as if they were gigantic snack washing machines. And inside, the show begins. From automatic spray systems fall authentic storms of flavoring powder, intense nacho cheese, spicy chili, smoky barbecue, and explosive jalapeno, among many others. Each recipe is a secret formula, developed over years in food laboratories, seeking the perfect balance between salt, fat, acidity, sweetness, and spice. Nothing is left to chance. High-precision sensors dose each gram of flavoring to the millimeter, while the drums spin so that each Dorito is covered uniformly, without flavorless areas and without excesses. The objective is brutally clear, that each bite tastes exactly the same, no matter if you open a bag in Mexico, Spain, the United States, or Japan. And here comes one of the most surprising facts. That powder that stays stuck to your fingers is no coincidence. It is designed exclusively to activate the sensory receptors of the skin, reinforcing the perception of flavor and sending direct signals to the brain that awaken the desire to keep eating. That is why, when you try one, your brain asks for another. It is pure food engineering applied to addiction. Every minute, tons of Doritos come out completely covered, shiny, aromatic, and absolutely irresistible. Now they are no longer simple snacks. They are perfect chips and ready to face their most demanding test. Step 6. Inspection and extreme quality control. Before a single Dorito can touch a bag, it must pass one of the strictest control filters in the entire global food industry. Here, absolutely nothing is forgiven. Thousands of Doritos advance at full speed over endless conveyor belts, while they are analyzed one by an authentic army of automatic inspection systems. Above the production lines, ultra-high-speed optical cameras capture thousands of images per second, detecting any minimal imperfection invisible to the human eye. At the same time, laser sensors and artificial vision systems measure with extreme precision. Exact shape, perfect color, puffing level, and exact amount of seasoning. If a single chip deviates minimally from the established parameters, it is expelled from the line instantly. But technology does not work alone. At key points of the process, highly trained operators take constant samples and perform exhaustive manual checks. They break them, they smell them, and they taste them and even evaluate the exact sound they make when breaking. Because at Doritos, the crunch is also measured. The level of demand is so brutal that thousands of Doritos are discarded every minute, simply for not reaching absolute perfection. Here, only the perfect Doritos survive. And only after passing this authentic extreme filter are they ready for their last great journey. Step 7. Packaging, sealing, and global distribution. Here, speed is absolutely everything. Thousands of perfectly golden, crunchy, and seasoned Doritos cascade toward gigantic automatic packaging machines that never stop. The rhythm is brutal. The machines form the bags, fill them with the exact amount of product, and, in fractions of a second, inject nitrogen into their interior. This gas displaces oxygen, creates a protective environment, and keeps the crunch intact for weeks. Furthermore, it acts as an authentic air cushion, preventing the Doritos from breaking during transport. Immediately after, the bags are sealed completely airtight, guaranteeing freshness, flavor, and food safety. Some production lines are capable of packaging more than 1,000 bags per minute. That means tens of thousands of bags every hour, an authentic brutality. Afterward, huge robotic arms handle automatic palletizing, stacking hundreds of boxes in perfectly stable towers. In a matter of minutes, full pallets are ready to leave the plant. Trucks enter and leave without stopping, loading tons of Doritos that head directly to supermarkets, gas stations, and stores all over the world. From the moment the corn enters the plant until it is ready in its bag, less than 30 minutes can pass, the result of perfect industrial synchronization. And that is how a simple corn kernel is transformed into one of the most addictive, famous, and consumed snacks on the planet. To finish, tell us, did you imagine all this industrial process? What is your favorite Doritos flavor? Leave us your answer in the comments, and if you like this tour through the factory, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next journey through the most impressive industries on the planet.